I'm running right off my feet.
Imagine how old that is. That's the beautiful thing about it.
That's what friends do, lie on each other, I guess. That's what the rabbits do. Pretty good. They eat, and when they're full, they just lie around on top of each other. Good stuff. Hey, Holly. Hey, Penny. Looks like you're going somewheres.
Are we going somewhere?
Yeah?
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Oh, and guess what, Rita? This is for you. But look at Penny.
Yeah. We had her out the other day. So yeah, so we're going for a boat ride, guys. Penny and I were out the other day, test out the new boat. Oh yeah, we got a new boat. So the pontoon boat, the rubber Zodiac that we saw with last year, was a great boat. Nothing wrong with it, but space, not enough space in there. The center console took up the whole thing, and then of course the big tubes, right? So So I put that one for sale, sold it, and there she goes to another proud owner. The little boat is gone. We got to get a new one. And then bought this one. So now this one is the same length boat as a 12-footer, but a lot more room. And I do like the 4-stroke versus the 2-stroke. Now the other one was 30 horsepower, and we would do 32 kilometers an hour, I think it is. This is an 8, and with me and Penny we did 32 kilometers an hour. So that's amazing. I couldn't believe it. So, and the gas burn is no comparison, of course. Anyway, this is almost, well, it's not new, but it's very low use on this motor, so I just love it. It matches the bigger boat, right? The bigger one's a 7 and there's an 8, so Yamaha outboard, you can't beat them. I wish I had steering wheel and all that stuff, but oh well, can't have it all the time, right? So anyway, yeah, so it's decked out with the motor, 3-gallon can, and that's pretty it. Pretty basic, just an open boat, and we need lots of space, so there's plenty of room there now for Holly and Penny. So anyway, guys, let's get going, eh? What do you got? What do you think?
I think so. What do you think, Penny? Do you think we should go? What? Do you want to go? You do? Really? Oh, what? You saying hurry up? Let's go. She's saying hello to all her fans, including Juno. Hey, Penny. Say hi to Juno. Tell him he's missing out. He's missing out. There, see? There you go.
Okay.
Juno's missing out.
Cool. She gets verbal sometimes, eh? So yeah, so let's get going, I guess. And this, I mean, it's early in the spring here, and this will be, it's still a little cool. The wind's cool, so we got, you know, a couple layers on, but we're not, no drastic winds, and we're not going out in the wild open ocean either. So we'll go for a little ride here. So let's check it out. Let's go. We're gonna go to the beach and have a fire. I think we got a lunch, coffee, all that good stuff, eh?
Goodies.
Goodies. Okay, let's go. Penny. Here. Your mom. Oh, he's putting away the quad and the trailer, eh? Bottom here now a little bit.
Well, hello, Iceberg. Oh, holy cow. This is beautiful.
It is.
Where we are.
Beautiful. Get a little closer. Just a gradual swell on there now.
Yeah, I don't like that.
it's not.
That way.
It's stuck on bottom.
Don't get too close, man.
You see bottom?
I can see it out on, like, look how hard it is out now.
That's the ice, yeah. That's a pretty good chunk.
Wow.
That's what, I don't know how big it is. It's probably, yeah. 20, 40, well, it's probably 40 meters or something.
You can see it out. You can see it out this way.
Yeah, because it's bigger on the bottom, right?
Right. Thank goodness.
We're pretty safe. There's nothing there to roll over, you know?
Look at that. Shape of it.
Yeah. See it right out here, look. Like I said, it's a big chunk.
It looks like it's gonna crack again.
Another big crack in the middle and then it froze again, eh?
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Fill up with ice with different kind of, fill up with water. Wow, that's cool, eh? You want to touch it, Holly?
Could we go this way?
You want to touch it?
I don't know, probably.
That's pretty big, eh? It's pretty big berg. Yep. Pretty big berg. Yeah, that's a little bit squirrely there. Different waters meeting. Pretty cool. You don't get to touch thousands of years old ice and snow very often, do you? Actually, yeah, we probably get to touch it on the side here, Holly. It's a little bit less.
Look, I don't want to hurt it.
You want to hurt it?
I don't want to hurt
Okay, coming up. There you go. It's rock hard too. It's not even. This is amazing. Hey?
To be so close.
What?
To be so close.
Yeah. What do you think?
There's no words for it. The idea that it's so ancient.
Yeah. And
We have this opportunity. How many icebergs float
past.
from the glaciers?
Yeah.
And nobody would ever have an opportunity to get close.
That's right. Amazing, isn't it?
You know?
Amazing. That vein there, that vein in the middle, eh, where it froze and or thought there was a crack and then it froze up again. That's crazy.
Is that how it happened?
Yeah, somewheres, you know what I mean. Somewheres along the way, it separated and then thawed, and summer, winter, whatever, it filled up with water, right? Because this was snow just piled up and turned into ice when it's white, right? Because there's air into it.
Well, this is going to be here for a while.
Oh yeah, well, it's stuck on bottom now, so when it melts and gets lighter on top and it starts floating again, then it might, but it'll probably be trapped here. It'll probably be trapped here till it's left, so there's nothing left to it. You see how big it is, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a brute. Well, a brute when you know, not a brute, but it's a big chunk of ice. It's not just sea ice.
It's big enough for me.
Yeah.
If it means that we can be this close to something so awesome,
Yeah.
phenomenal.
That's a perfect crack filled in seam, huh? Wicked, eh? Wow. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern on it, eh?
Yeah, I know.
That's amazing. I just something you never see again.
Gee, I thought seeing that iceberg with Sean Nance that day was amazing.
Pretty cool, eh, Holly?
Yeah.
What? And we tasted
Pretty
it.
amazing, and we tasted it. Yep. 1,000-year-old glacier ice.
Water. Ice.
Water.
Yeah, pretty amazing actually. Not everybody gets to touch one.
I'm just
I mean, it's not huge, but it's still a big chunk of ice.
You know what blows me away?
What?
So where we live, there's quite a community, and I'm wondering how many people actually know that is here, right here.
No one knows. Drone pictures coming, drone shots. It wasn't here last night because I had my drone out, and it wasn't there. So yeah, it must have came in overnight or way to win is the day.
Point the camera that way. Which direction did it come from?
Yeah. So out there is where it came in through that small notch. So it, I don't know if it bounced off. It don't look like it's been hitting the sides or anything. It just, hey, like there's no damage or nothing. So I mean, it would be underneath if it was, but yeah, that's where it came in through out there.
And there's a larger one.
Yes, there's a large one out there, and this boat's not big enough for us to go out and see that one close. So, but yeah. And I don't have my bigger boat out ready yet, so. But you never know, but it might be out there in a couple of days. We'll see. Actually, I can.
That probably would have been better for me to stay in the boat until.
Oh. Okay.
Now what?
Hey, yeah, so we'll make a fire right here.
Did that come with the boat?
Yep.
Cool.
That's good.
Huh?
That's good. You know, but it was big. It was pretty good.
We got right up to it.
Depends on who you're talking to. If it was bigger, not it?
I think if it was too big, we wouldn't have been able to come that close to it.
No, it would have been scary, but
So,
because of the shape of it and like you see the bottom, there's no danger of coming in that close. Anyways, let's get some firewood
Penny,
here.
come here. Let me take
got
you
it.
back. This is really close, okay?
Isn't that a wild rock, eh?
Like, I was wondering, could it be fossils?
I don't know. It's crazy.
But
Never seen nothing like that before.
it's like lava or something the way it's pitted.
Yeah.
And then these things.
Yeah, it's like grab the axe and chip it
And
see
give
what
it a whack?
see what comes of it. See how hard or soft. It almost looks like it's, I don't know. It's crazy. Hey Penny, you don't care, do you? I found an orange barrel. Never seen an orange one before. And it was right full of water. And it was right in behind this tree, so it's been there a long time. Yeah, it's full of stuff, yeah.
See, it's true. Plastic doesn't it doesn't go away.
No, it was almost gone away because that tree grew up in front of it, but craziness, yeah. All right, look, we're gonna start off with this today. We're gonna burn up this, get some good wood on there, and then we're gonna have our lunch. We can't take all the garbage at once because we don't have time, and we're gonna come back and have more fires, right? So anyway, we're gonna do that now. Holly's changed her shoes. Beautiful day here, a little mild wind just going this way. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, made some Darrell Wells fire starters, and they actually worked. That's good. That's sweet. Thanks, Darrell. Yep. Here's the first one I've tried, and the old ferro rod. Put three in the baggie. Yep. The old wax. Well, I kind of changed it a little bit. I couldn't find any pear wax, so I used to use candle wax and lighter fluid. Works good. So we'll get this going now. I'm running right off my feet.
Put that on video?
Yeah. around, looks like. Looks like the wind has turned around on us. It was coming that direction, but it's nice now, I gotta say. So that's okay. There you go, that's our contribution to clean up today. We want all that plastic to burn down, and then we can cook some food on there actually. So let that go for a bit. Get a bit of wood there. We've got some more. Holly's still looking for special things, glass, fossils, and all that. Now we need to make some chairs of some sort. Ah, the fire's crackling nice now.
Oh, that's a turn on.
What?
I love rock stars.
Okay, how you liking a new boat?
I like it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's low, the seats are low, which I find cramped, but there's not we can do about that. You'd have to get a big boat for that. So I mean, that's the only complaint I got, but and you too probably, but that's okay. We're just getting old.
Well, we're using it for zipping around here and there.
Yeah.
The only thing I do differently is just create like a softer spot up front for Penny to sit. Or to at least grip her toes into when she's standing up. So we got 2 bags, I think, we're going to dedicate to just...
Yeah, well that's my... Anytime we go anywhere for lighting a fire in the bush, that's my bag over there, and then this is just our food and that. So I'll give this to Holly, because she's in control of that stuff.
So do you want something to eat now?
No, we're just going to wait for that to burn down. We got to wait for all the plastic to burn off and all that stuff.
All the toxins?
All the toxins, yeah. But yeah, the wind died right out, which is what it was supposed to do today, so that's good.
I like to be safe. I gotta wait up.
Yeah, we got a nice fire going there now, Holly. What are you doing?
I'm carving our initials into the seat.
Are you?
I am.
Oh.
You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon here right now.
It is.
Yeah.
I can't think of a better place with a better person at a better time.
There you go.
Yep. Oh, and then Miss Penny.
Oh yes.
She's sleeping on my jacket.
Yeah.
Did you know? Little princess.
Yes, yes.
Oh. But she's really just hanging out for the hot dogs.
Yeah. You don't like hot dogs again, Penny? No? No. No, you don't. This is the 2-stick pour method. Where's your cup?
That's good.
Is that good?
I think so. But yours has a little bit extra in it too. Thank you, baby.
That was interesting.
Looks like somebody's giving you the finger.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. The spider wiener.
These are hot. I don't know where I got these from.
Thanks. You mean spicy?
Mm.
Gone now. Bye-bye. No more.
Oh my. I think that was the best one I ever had so far. Think you'll agree, Gary? Gary Fudge? Oh boy, oh boy. Ooh. Spider wieners. I think I'm getting good at these, eh?
Very good.
Yeah, I think this is like the best. Oh, pity you don't like them, do you? No? Okay. This is like the best fire we had. This is like the best fire we had yet, I think, Holly.
And the bench. With
No
the
wind, there's
and
no flies.
the bench.
The bench is the best seat we had.
You were strong man today and rolled the boulders
Best
over.
wieners.
Mm-hmm. Are you going to share with Miss Penny?
Best coffee.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
You going to share a spider wiener piece leg
Yeah,
with Penny?
Penny's already had her share.
Yeah, but we didn't get it on video. How gentle she can be.
Oh, she's drooling. How come you're drooling, Penny? Nice. Be nice.
Get her sit first.
Sit. Sit. Nice, Penny. Nice. Gentle. Here you go. Here you go. Here. Yep. Here you go.
Good girl.
She's afraid it's hot. I gave her a hot one earlier and she dropped it. Yeah.
She's pretty smart. She won't go.
Yeah.
She won't go at it again if it's.
There's no wind. I don't know. It's about, I saw, 16, 18 degrees probably. So.
Hard to believe there's a iceberg just over there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good day.
Mm-hmm.
Our fire's almost out. We burned up a lot of garbage.
Nice hat.
I think I'm gonna have one more wiener.
Do you like that hat?
It's okay.
Oh.
It's not our newest stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's something I had before. But I know where. Man, it's not a draft to win right now.
Nope.
Not a draft.
This is a true craftsman here, everybody.
You just slice them.
It's great fun for the kids and Holly. I guess Brian too.
You can hear the clouds coming in the road.
Why? Are you happy?
Well, I never was totally happy with the other one, but we got it at a good deal, so I grabbed it, and we got a lot of use out of it. I tell you, we've used it a few times,
We did.
and there's nothing wrong with it, but it just wasn't the right fit for us.
It felt softer on the butt.
The other one,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, hot. Man, it's warm. Nice No breeze now, no flies yet. We're just on the verge. We're seeing a couple flies, or soon they're right around the corner. If we get in a hot day now, we're going to be swarmed. Okay, I must admit, this is my second coffee, and it's the better one. It's the better of the two. I don't know. Oh man, it's the best one I've had yet, Holly.
It is, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone in the bush is better than the last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one tops it. I don't know how you could top it, but it tops it.
Nice. Nice.
Well, our fire's pretty small now.
And we've eaten.
Yeah. Belly's full. Yep. What an evening, what an evening. Afternoon, I should say, I guess. Yeah. Tide's rising back up a little bit.
I'd say time well spent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Penny? Do you like coming on these outings? Getting some treats?
It's not Mommy's jacket again.
That's pretty good. We got lots of stuff burnt up there. That's all's left. Time to go, Holly. The day is too short, eh?
Yes. Yeah, I think so too.
We're taking the fish box and some small stuff. That I will come back for at another time. And yeah, so we're gonna load up and head out of here. Penny's got her life jacket on. Hey Penny, what do you think? You like the boat? Don't want to talk about it.
What a look on her face.
Yeah. Huh?
Nice calm trip home.
Yamaha, 8 horsepower. Yeah, home sweet home.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it was a great day, wasn't it?
Oh my God, it was amazing. It's still amazing.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna put a drone up. So you're going to be enjoying some. You've already saw some footage, drone footage of the iceberg. So yeah.
Connor.
Penny, are you home? Are you happy?
Are you happy to be? You happy to be on land again? What do you say? Listen here.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Thumbs up us. Subscribe.
Check out the merchandise.
Yeah.
Shout out to Terry and Rita.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for being so dedicated. to our channel. New friends.
Yes.
Here's to new friends.
Yeah. Okay, we had a great afternoon. And it's supper time, but we're not full. Or, I mean, we're already full.
Yes, we had lots
So
of
we'll have a late
treats.
supper, I'd say.
Or maybe just something treaty.
Yeah.